Hello everyone! So this is a quick video that will show you how to access and use Scholastic's BookFlix. BookFlix is a fantastic early literacy tool to use with young children that will help them build the skills they need to learn to read, as well as being a great resource for librarians, educators, and parents. So let's begin by accessing BookFlix through the main Lexington Public Library website. We'll need to go ahead and click on Collections and then Databases. And from here, we can just simply click on Kids under our database types and go straight to BookFlix. So BookFlix will require you to log in with an active Lexington Public Library card. I've already done that, so I bypassed that page. So here we are now on the BookFlix main page. So what BookFlix does is it pairs popular children's picture books told in an animated video format with nonfiction books on similar subjects that kids can read along with. So as an example, let's go ahead and use People and Places to start with.
People and Places.
And let's select this book here, this book pairing here about pets. So the first thing we can do is watch the story. So as I mentioned before, this is just a simple animated video of a popular children's book. And it has a read-along option, so it will narrate and show the text along with the narration so that children can make the connection between what they hear and what they see, which is a great way to build that literacy. Next, let's try reading the book. So this is the nonfiction book that is on the same subject as the picture book. So you've got just the regular sort of printed e-version of the book. This also has the read-along option. So you can hear it highlighted as you go. Another cool feature with the read the book option is that you can have the vocabulary highlighted, which is great so that children, when they encounter unfamiliar words, they can look them, just see what they are right here. There are a few other resources on BookFlix. There are puzzlers, which are some simple literacy-based games that will use the same themes or ideas that the kids learned from the books. There's a Meet the Author section. There is an Explore the Web section, which has some other kid-friendly resources on this topic compiled. So we've got songs and poems, why answers. So these are other great options that go just beyond the books. So finally, let's look right up here to where we have lesson plans. So for every book pairing, there is a lesson plan for educators or librarians to use, which is really useful to have if you want to actually use some of these concepts in the classroom or in the library. And in general, aside from the lesson plans, there's also a general section for educator resources. So there's resources for the teacher in the classroom, there's librarian resources, general information about using paired texts, and also a special section just on parent and child, which is great because this is also not only just a great source for educators to use, but also for parents to use with their children because it's really accessible and it's really engaging for children. So parents might want to use this in the home. So this is the basics of BookFlix. It's a very easy website to navigate because it is obviously designed to be used by children, but it also has a lot of valuable resources for adults here that may not be immediately obvious given the nature of the website. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using BookFlix.